Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well and feeling healthy. You all are welcome to the first class of computer science of class 12. You all know that class 12 is very important for your life. I think, yes, 12th percentage not only matters in life, but it is like the base of students' future. It can be the turning point of your life. If you compare your life with a building, then it is the base of that building. The more strong the base will be, the more stable will be the building. So in other words, the percentage in your class 12 exam will decide the course of your career. However, the importance of class 12 marks is also decided by what you want to become in your life or what profession you are going to choose and how early you want to touch the height of success. Okay, so remember this and be very serious. So I welcome again you all. So let's start your first class, and today I will be discussing only about your syllabus, your computer science class 12 syllabus. So as you can see here, your syllabus, whole syllabus has been divided into two parts. So in the first part is called theory part and second part is practical part. And you can see here the theory part is divided into 5 units and unit 6 is practical. Total of 70 marks and practical contains 30 marks. As you can see here, so first unit is object oriented programming in C++ and the second unit is data structure which contains 14 marks. Unit 3 database management system and SQL having 8 marks, Boolean algebra having 8 marks, and then the last topic is network and open source software having 10 marks. And you should know that this unit, that is first unit, will be covered by our Kirot Sharma sir, and this unit number 2 and unit number 4 I will take these two units, that is unit number 2 and unit number 4, and unit number 3 and unit number 4 will be taken by Sugomoy sir. Okay, so I will take basically these two units, data structure and Boolean algebra. Okay, and first I will start data structure. So you can see the details of the syllabus. First unit is concerned with the object-oriented concepts of C++. So already in the class 11, you have learned the programming concept in C++. But in the class 12 or in this year, you will get the object-oriented concept of C++. Okay, so this topic will be taken by Kirot sir. And second unit, that is data structure, I will take this topic and you will learn different types of data structure, that is array data structure, stack, then linked list, then queue, etc. And the unit 3, that is database management system and SQL, is concerned with the different rules of database, how to make a database, what are the different rules to make a database, and a basic software called MySQL that will be taught in this unit. And then the chapter 4 or unit number 4 is Boolean algebra, where you will be learning basically the digital logic and Boolean algebra and different laws of Boolean algebra, KMF, etc. And the last topic is computer networking and open source software, where you will learn the basics of computer network and open source software. So okay, these are the 5 chapters which is in your theory part. Then you can see here, this is the practical part having 30 marks total, and the practical paper is divided into these 2 parts. First part having the programming in C++, which will contain 10 marks. Then MySQL SQL command, which will cover 3 marks, and then you have to develop a project in C++ with object-oriented concept that will carry 6 marks. So you have to make a group of 2 friends or 2 students, and 2 students have to develop 1 project. Okay, and I will distribute some projects among you, and you have to choose one of them, and you have to develop that project in C++ with object-oriented concept within December. Okay, and you have to submit your project report, and in your final exam, Viva will be taken on that project also. And then you have to make a practical file having minimum 20 programs, and that will carry 6 marks, and then Viva will carry 5 marks. So that's all about your syllabus. So as far as book is concerned, you can buy these books, Computer Science with C++ by Sumita Arora. So volume 1 and volume 2, that book you can buy. Okay, so that's all about your syllabus. So thanks for watching. In the next video I will introduce data structure. What is data structure? Okay, so thank you.